Hello there, this is the Module 4 intro video. So last week you all had exam 1. I haven't graded them yet, but I'm sure you all did fantastic. So in Module 4, we're going to continue right along with one of our primary goals of this course, is learning how to use the information contained in a statistic to learn something about our population. So before we do that, we need to take some of those ideas from Chapter 5 involving probability and apply them to what's known as a probability distribution. And so Chapter 6 is going to be all about probability distributions. At the end of the chapter, you're going to learn about normal distributions, and you're going to have lots of practice problems on those. We will work with normal distributions from here on out to the end of the semester. So it's really important that you understand how to do all of those practice problems at the end of Chapter 6. Then we're going to move along to Chapter 7. Chapter 7 is going to show us how to use our statistic, or probably rather how to learn about how our statistic changes from sample to sample. And we're going to do that by looking at what are known as sampling distributions. Now, sampling distributions are generally, conceptually, they're probably one of the hardest topics in the course for students to kind of wrap their heads around. So I really encourage you not only to look at the notes for this chapter, but to also actually read your textbook. The more exposure you can have to the idea of the sampling distribution, the better, because it is a more difficult topic. As always, I want to really encourage you, to use that discussion board anytime you have questions. I am more than happy to help with anything that you have, and I hope that you have a wonderful week this week.